How to change TikTok notification sound in your Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your settings in your mobile device and once you open it up, tap on apps. From here, tap on see all apps. Once you get to all apps, now navigate to top right corner and tap on the search icon and in the search bar, search for TikTok. Tap on it. Once you get to app info page of TikTok, tap on notifications. And here make sure you have to turn on all the notifications from TikTok by tapping on this toggle. After you turn on that, if you scroll down a bit, there you will have multiple options such as comments, likes, new followers, direct message, live. Now, to change the notification, you have to choose one of this. For example, I want to change the notifications for comments. Tap on comments. Now, under this comment, scroll down and then tap on sound. Now, from this drop down box, you can choose the sound that you would like to add. For example, I want to choose this next one. Tap on it and after that you will have a small preview of this notification. You can listen to that and then change. After you're done with that, tap on OK. And now the sound notification has been changed. If you go back and you can do the same with other option as well. And that's how you can change the TikTok notification sound in Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.